Good day, mates. 500 guy here, trying to give the industry people a little lesson in the internet. The internet is not like driving around in SoCal traffic where you can go like this or anything like that. What you got to do is learn how to use the acronyms so that you can kind of get the point across and get these people to be quiet. First off, this one. This means that you're laughing out loud. This one means that you're laughing until your butt falls off. This one means what the you know what. And this one means be quiet. So if you're looking on the internet and someone pisses you off or says something funny, if they say something funny, you do that. If they say something really funny, you do that. Now, if they say something totally stupid and it pisses you off, you say this. And if they just keep on and on, you give them this. At the end of the day, it's only the internet. Don't take it too serious. 500 guy signing out.